Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Python Challenge. Okay, let's enjoy programming today again. Okay, so let's see where we were. So lesson 22. String is a kind of a list. So we learned that a string, which the character strings, is a kind implemented as a kind of list, and we can apply any kind related techniques to handle those strings, like picking up some characters or making a slice subpart string out of it. So, and lastly, the last topic was palindrome number. So using colon minus one, we can reverse any string. And the last thing was homework. What are palindrome numbers between 10 and 100? Okay, let's continue. Open the notebook, reopen the notebook, connecting it, and do the work. So the last topic was about palindrome. Okay, let's see. So the trick is, let's see where we were. Okay, so like, for example, yeah, we can reverse any string by this one, okay? We can reverse the string Python by colon minus one. So the thing is, yes, so the point is, okay, the assignment was, what are palindrome numbers between 10 and 100? So the point was that for any, okay, so for example, let's check. No, even not. So let's check numbers from n. Let's check from 1 to no, that's interesting. 10 to 100. So I need to write 100 and need a 1 here. So we can use this one. Okay. So if int through n, this one is, yeah, colon minus one. This is exactly the same as the original n, print n. Okay. This will, I think, give us print all the palindrome numbers between 10 and 100. Seems great. These are all palindrome numbers. But that's not just so interesting. So let's try a larger list. Okay, making an empty list. Change this to 1000. Instead of printing, we add to L the number. And lastly, print how many of them, and also list everything. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so up to 1000, we have 99 palindrome numbers, which are like 11 to 99, then 101 to 191, 202 to 292, all the way up to, okay, 989 and 999. That's the end. Oh, interesting, right? Okay. So I hope you could use this kind of thing. Okay. So let's go on to today's lesson. Number guessing game. I don't know exactly what this game is called in your country, but it's a simple game. So let a human player, it's like you, guess the hidden number. Okay. The computer secretly chooses a number between 1 and 9. So it applies to humans' guess, either with higher, lower, or correct. Okay, repeat this until correct is reached. So, okay, you know what this is like? Yeah, of course, I think. So, one thing is choose an answer randomly and repeat input process. Okay, that's the process. So choosing a random number is just, yeah, maybe you know this. So import random, and then, okay, answer is, let's see, random. You and int between 1 and say 9. This time I should write 9 here, okay? Let's check this. Okay, so this will give any number, and of course it's different each time. Okay, so the game is like convert the input. So we did it, right? Let the number input some number, let the user input some number and compare it to it. Okay, so let's check. It's like this. So imp is input, okay? Like guess. Okay, maybe this is fine. So, and then, yeah, you can check. Just in case. Let's see the secret, see the answer, and then let's see if this one move works correct. So if integer of imp is exactly the same as ans, print correct. How about this? So let's check if this works. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, the secret answer is 3. Guess input 3, then correct. Okay, seems working. What else do we need? So if the answer is if the answer is, maybe we will use this several times. So maybe we could use this as value. In value is this one. Okay, input value. And then if in value is, okay, maybe inverse, not inverse, inval. Inval equals ans, then correct. If inval is bigger than ans, what should I write? In that case, lower, right? Because answer is lower than the inval. Okay, and else maybe print higher. Okay, let's see if this works well. Okay, so answer is 8. Last time we type in 8, but this time let's put 4. Higher. Oh, seems correct. Okay, check again. 4. Okay, let's put 9. Lower. Okay, good. Seems fine. Okay, so what is? So we need to do it. We made this one. Prepare 3 response patterns. So maybe we repeat this process. Okay, so to do that, we repeat for I in range. Of course, we can write another way, while. Maybe while is fine. But for some reason, let's do it using for and I range. Maybe we can write 100. And then, okay, select this area and tab to indent it. So what's necessary next? Can you guess? Yes. If the answer is correct, we need to break from the loop. This seems great. Okay, let's run it. Okay, the answer is 3. Actually, we don't need any answer, but let's put 5. Lower, 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 lower. Okay, what's wrong with it? So, yes, of course, stop it. So, we need this in the loop. So, sorry about that. Okay, we need it in the loop. And also, we don't need the print answer anymore. So let's do it. Okay, fix the answer only once and do the process. Repeat the process. Okay, we don't know the answer. Guess what? 7, lower. Okay, 5, lower. Okay, 2, correct. Okay, great. You can enjoy it again. Yes, 6, higher. Okay, 8, higher. 9, correct. Okay, very, very simple, but we made a game. Okay, I hope you like this. You can enjoy. So, homework. When correct, reply as correct in round X. So, this is the first round, second round, and third round. So print correct in the third or in round 3 this time. Okay. Okay, so I hope you like this, and I hope you come back next time. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye.